gonna offer the buyers, what we're offering them proprietary information. And when somebody says they're offering you proprietary information, they're offering you something that everybody can't give them. And so that's the goal. And when we talk to them and we get with them, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for, what can you give me that I can't get for myself? Because we all know, all these new buyers, especially the millennials, they think they know better than us. They think they know better than us. They think that, oh, I can find that. If you got that, I can find that. So I love it when I show them something else. I said, did you find this? Oh no, where'd you find that? Can't tell you, it's a secret. Because they think they know, but you have to do that. You have to do that, and you have to let them know without saying it, I'm smarter than you. It's like with our kids, I'm smarter than you.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for how long? We've been doing it for a long time. So we know what it is that we're looking for. We just gotta help them find what they're looking for. And so what you wanna do is you wanna let them know, I have the information. All those other people, I can give you what they're giving you, but I have to give you more. It's just like when you think about the people who excel in their sports. When you think about the people who excel in their sports, they excel because even though they all get the same training, they train more. Same with us. We can give you the MLS, we can give you whatever the state, your state gives it, everybody can give you that. But what you can't get is the more that I have. And you have to make sure that you give them that more. Because buyers right now, they want houses and everybody wants a deal. Now we all know, since we've been in COVID, there's no deal. The deal is that you're getting a house. That's the deal.
That's the deal. That's the deal.
And so now people are like, oh, the market is changing. It's going down. Can I offer 30,000 less? I'm like, sure you can. And we'll go look at some more houses tomorrow. Because you're not gonna get that house. But if you offer something that makes sense, and with that, you have to tell people, you know, it depends on what area, what's going on, and we find that out. It depends on your relationship with the agent.